Hello everyone, this is Phys103. We are now on molecules and solids. So to introduce molecules and solids, we will start with the types of molecular bonds. So we will be starting with ionic bonds. So before we understand how bonding works, let us first look into uh, how repulsion works. So first, let's look at, for example, two positively charged uh, atoms. So let's look at their potential energies versus R. So here I have potential energy as a function of their atomic separation R. So for two repulsive scenarios, for example, positive and positive, this can also be negative and negative. So this is repulsive. So in a repulsive potential, the graph of the potential energy as a function of R is like this. So what this means is as you move the two charges together, meaning you are reducing their atomic separation R, the values of the potential energy become higher. So this means that it will take more energy for it to be in that kind of configuration. So the universe doesn't want to gain energy. It always wants to go to a lower potential. So you will feel a repulsive behavior if you try to bring these two atoms together. So what about attraction? So for attraction, this is R, this is U of R. So say you have here a minus charge and a positive charge separated by a distance R. Now, their potential energies or the potential energy associated to R in this kind of situation will be like this. So as you move these two charged particles together, the potential becomes more attractive. Or in other words, these negative areas mean that they are bounded. So negative potential means that it is trapped, sort of like trapped inside that potential. So this is the behavior in attractive potential. Okay, so let's recap. In our repulsive potentials, as you bring the two charges together, the potential energy becomes higher, and as you bring the two charges apart, their potential energy becomes lower. Whereas in opposite charges, as you bring the two charges together, their potential energies become bounded, and then as you separate them further, the potential energies associated to them then becomes zero.